Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this additional of Friday, almost weekend. Friday, February the 16th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, the 3 stars and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars. In this one, you are interested. It's the binary because it's binary time. And this one will be number 8018. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one is 16 printed digits. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle is this one. That means in a column or in a row, there are always 4 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 O's. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. A double O here, one, there, one. Double O here, one, there, one. A double one here, no, there, no. Double one here, no, there, no. Between the ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Between the O's comes an 1. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Double one here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes an 1. Then, let me think. We have here 1, 2, 3 O's. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Then here we have 3 O's. If I place number 4 there, then we have 3 ones in a row in this column. Not allow one of the rules, so this can be no. This should be a 1. Then come on. 3. No. Double O. Here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. Double O here, 1, there, 1. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. And 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the last puzzle, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.